Alright, we're here at the Courtyard by Marriott here at Lake Nona in Orlando, Florida. KONE elevators with innovation.
I'm right here.
Who am I filming with? First time filming with this guy.
Yep.
Interesting how these have the 220 series indicator on the outside. Get the left car drive first. Elevator number 1.
Oh wait, somebody hit 4? Yeah, let's go.
Alright, 7 to 7.
Oh, what is that? Oh, somebody turned 4 off. Oh, 4's on you. I guess this is the turn.
Alright, we got a cab view. Pretty basic elevator for a hotel. They could have been a lot nicer, especially for a modern area. There's your certificates. Capacity is 3,500. We're stopping on 4. Elevator number 1. Must be a glitch.
No, it is a glitch.
Maybe the button's stuck or something. Let's see. Yeah, just weird.
Wait, you can see it. Watch, it's gonna come back on again. Wait a minute.
Okay, that's weird.
Oh, wait.
Well, these elevators are just glitched out.
You have to hold it again then.
Got your KSS 570 buttons right there. And you're at 1. Alright, so we're up to 7.
Let's do one more. Yeah, let's just go up one more time.
Alright.
Yeah. But like I said, if we would have done this yesterday, then the Lake Nona Performance Center will close at 11. So that means we will still have time to film the other 4 elevators here.
Gotcha.
There's a volleyball theme, there's a weight theme, a bike theme, and a yoga theme.
I want to check those out someday.
We will. Also,
We're gonna get a view?
yeah, we'll send it down.
Yeah. Get a view from the 7th floor. Here's your view from the top floor. Not sure where I'm facing. It's hard to see at night.
You're the motor now.
Not sure where that road is down there. Probably like Nona Boulevard or something.
The other elevators are on.
Is there another one down here? Here's the guest floor while we're walking down here.
Okay.
Oh, these are all connected.
No.
There's over in here anywhere.
Oh, there they were. Right here.
Oh wow, they're like really close.
Yeah. I just
More KONEs. Finding interesting how these have innovation call stage and KSS 570 on the inside. Here's your fire escape plan. Looks like there's no service elevators in this complex. So it might be this one to the left.
Yeah, we'll get that one and then we'll get the other car.
Oh, here's the elevator.
Oh, the fan's off.
Oh, no fan, look at that.
No, we hear more and more because
All right.
the fans on, we won't be able to hear it that much.
Alright, we're gonna get on the 1.
Here we go. Just send it. Hard to move though. Every single elevator I've never been stuck in, so. I mean, I'm just got stuck one time.
There's Bobby.
Yeah, so in the Signature Aviation office, elevator 1 was kind of my concern because when I went inside, and this was at the beginning, just the beginning of this year, and as it was taking off from 1, like I don't know what was going on. They literally shook the whole cab, and unusual noises will start, like high-pitched noises will start occurring, and then
Cab view. Certificate right there. Capacity is 3,500. And these are your KSS 570 buttons.
And as I was getting out, and I was still hearing the car like shake, like right through the wall. So, and I think it was like maybe like 2-3 weeks later, I come back to the same place.
Yeah.
And you know what I realized? It was out of service.
Oh wow.
Thankfully, I was not stuck. Thankfully, you know, I'm okay. Because if, you know, if I would have got it at the perfect time, then I would have got stuck. But thankfully, nothing happened. But like when they fixed it, like the noise that occurred when I was taken off from the first floor was no longer there.
Oh wow.
So I don't know what exactly could have been, but
It looks like this elevator's here.
yeah. Well, actually, the
Point the camera where you can people in it. You going down?
Yeah, let's go on down.
Alright. Tripped on the track.
Close. Close. Yeah, just for right now, the Lake Nona Wave and the Aloft Hotel, we have like the coolest cabs I've ever seen in my life. But these here are just,
They're very basic.
But to me, yeah, they're just kind of boring, you know.
It's like the brown in the back there,
Yeah.
along with the mirror below. Thank you. Alright, send back up to 7. We'll get a cab going upstairs while we have the car to ourselves. It's just like all the other elevators in this complex, very basic and rather boring KONE elevators with high ceilings. There's Robert, got a mirror in the back, high. Certificate right there. Your Florida carrier capacity is 3,500. This is elevator number 2. These are your KSS 570 buttons.
I think these are the 2016 version. Because the ones in the Courtyard are the 2018
Yeah.
models.
And
You want to just take the
that's it for
car
these
in?
elevators.
Yeah, what end of town?